the number game in this environment. Respected leaders and dear citizens of this world, today I will be speaking on the number game happening in this world that we need to understand very soon to save this world. These are the real statistics worked out by the various organizations in a scientific way over a period of many years to decades to tell the truth to the people and to the government to take measures to prevent the injuries caused by these changes on all of us. All the data presenting here are evidence-based. I thank those organizations and individuals worked for it. Anyone interested can browse in the net to know how these data are derived. I am composing all the data in a short to make you people to understand how these changes are going to affect our life and how simple it is to solve if we unite and live together. What we need to understand is, if we unite, we need not starve, we need not suffer. Instead, it leads to more productivity in a healthy way. Unity in work brings purity in air, water and food that we inhale, drink and eat at every moment to live. My request to all of you is that please do not think like, why should I listen to such types of talks wasting my time, or what will I get if I come to know about the changes that is happening in this world, or how is it possible to prevent the changes happening on this earth, and so on. Instead, please think like there are ways to prevent the changes happening in this earth by which it is possible to escape from the injuries to our body that is going to happen from the poisons and pollutants of the air we breathe, water we drink and the food we eat, and its effect on the speed of work, sense of good energy, feeling healthy, happy, joyful and longevity with prosperity. I am Dr. Shivu, pediatrician from Mysore, Karnataka State, India. My phone numbers are +91 944 84 77380. Another number is +91 789 250 1891. My mail is shivup.183@gmail.com. Visit www.slideshare.net/Dr. Shivu for my articles on our life, on this world and on this environment. This is my third speech, and I am planning to tell the changes which are happening in this earth. These changes in turn taking all of us to the end without our knowledge. And this is expected to happen very soon, maybe within few decades, if we forget about the prevention of these changes with our busy life concentrating only on ourselves and on our income. Life in this environment is entirely a number game, that is mathematics, wherein some numbers are constant, some numbers are increasing and some numbers are decreasing. But all these numbers are interrelated. And all these are happening even if we say, no, we don't want these changes to happen for any number of times with the present way of progress. We can imagine the end of life on this earth, which may be very soon, with the simplest, grossly visible statistics like it took more than 2 lakh years to produce 100 crore people on this earth. But now it is less than 10 to 15 years to add every 100 crore population to this world. That means the changes which happened over a period of more than 2 lakhs in population is now happening in less than 15 years. And more worrisome things that we need to understand is this rapidly increasing present population are very active as compared to the population of olden days in destroying the environment, like extensive construction of buildings, roads, and so on, by destroying and occupying wide areas of forest and agriculture land, but very less active in conservation of environment, like implanting plants, converting them into big trees and not cutting them. So anyone can imagine the high speed in destruction of environment due to high speed of population growth with advanced knowledge and technology with the present way of living, as compared to the less speed of population growth with less knowledge and technology for environmental destruction in olden days. Thus, this influences the various numbers related to our life in this environment. In this speech, I will focus on the numbers which are constant in this world. That means that we cannot change these numbers. I will be telling the event, the average values and their units sequentially in subsequent talk, and they are as follows. Number 1, volume of air we breathe in is 500 ml per breath. Number 2, number of times we breathe is 20 times in a minute. Number 3, amount of oxygen we consume, that is 2.88 cubic meters or 8.4 pounds in a day, or 1050 cubic meters or 3066 pounds in a year. Oxygen weighs 1.429 kilograms per cubic meters at standard atmospheric temperature and pressure. Average amount of oxygen produced from one big tree is 260 pounds in a year. Average amount of carbon dioxide removed by the trees is 2.6 tons from the trees in 1 acre of thick forest per year. Carbon dioxide weighs 1.836 kilograms per cubic meters at standard atmospheric temperature and pressure. Number 6, volume of water we drink is 2 to 4 liters per day per adult person. Number 7, volume of water required for domestic purpose is 200 liters per person per day. Number 8, total volume of water required to meet domestic purpose and to grow the food we eat is 2000 liters per day per person, which excludes the water used in construction of the house where we live, in the manufacturing of the vehicles, equipments, furnitures, and others we use in our day-to-day life. Number 9, the food we eat is cereals 500, pulses 50 to 100, oil 50, milk 200, vegetables 200, fruits 200, sugar 40 to 50, salt 3 to 5. All are in grams per day per person. Number 10, minimum area of land required to get the food we consume is 2500 square meters per person. Developed countries considers this as 10,000 square meters. The yield we get from unit area of land, for example, usual yield of paddy is 4 to 5 tons per hectare. Usual yield of wheat is 2.7 to 3.1 tons per hectare. Usual yield of ragi is 3.75 tons per hectare. Usual yield of green gram is 0.5 to 1 ton per hectare. Usual yield of tur dal is 2 to 4 tons per hectare, and so on. Number 12, land on this earth is, that is, in this entire world, 1,483 lakh square kilometers. In India, it is 30 lakh square kilometers. About 29% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. The remaining 71% is covered with water. India's land area in square kilometer was 29,73,190 in 1961 and 29,73,190 in 2015 as per the statistics. So what we revision from the past few minutes is the above said numbers are not in our hand to change as per our convenience. So we need to understand the limitations from the side of the environment, and we need to limit ourselves in terms of some numbers like population, area occupied in the name of construction and connectivity, with better thinking, planning, organization, with unity, with the cement of love and affection among ourselves. That is possible with reticular canal system, convenient road and railway track system, model village and model nation concept that I will be telling in my subsequent speeches. I shall continue the same number game topic in my next talk, where we shall discuss about the numbers which are decreasing on one side and increasing on the other side, both taking us to the end of life in this world with the present progress. Thank you for listening to my third uploaded speech. I think you got an idea on some numbers which force us to limit ourselves by understanding the limited resources the environment can provide for us to live on this earth. Time will tell us the lesson if we ignore the truth. If you like this truth, then you please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, relatives and family members till it reaches all the leaders of this world to take necessary measures so that this world remains as it is for n number of years. Thanks once again.